Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a fun little get to know me video. I'll be answering some questions and sharing some fun facts about myself. If you're new here, hi. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. So let's get into the video. My name is Imani and I'm from River State, Port Harcourt. I'm a Calabari woman. I'm a fashion creative and a sewist. I started sewing in 2020 during the whole corona period because I was bored. Businesses weren't working, I couldn't order clothes. So I had this crazy idea that what if I started making my own clothes? So I bought a sewing machine and I taught myself how to sew by watching YouTube videos. Now I just love the process of turning fabric into something beautiful with my hands. I would describe my personal style as minimal, but with a little edge. I love pieces that feel soft, but still make a statement. Definitely to grow my YouTube channel and launch my business. I wake up in the mornings, no alarm. I drink my tea. I have some here, let me show you. So I have the Legend Pure Green Tea. I also have the Super Blend Detox Tea. And then I have this last two. This is the Sencha Pure Ceylon Green Tea. Another thing I do is scroll through Pinterest and find something that I love to sew. Honestly, I love crepe. They're just super easy to work with. I can eyeball a design and recreate it, even adding my own twist without necessarily making a pattern for it. That I can be super goofy when I'm comfortable, and sometimes I let my intrusive thoughts win. Beans and bread. I scroll through Pinterest to find fashion inspirations, or I just organize my environment or binge a Netflix show. Right now, I'm listening to a lot of Oudmood Black. My favorite artist, definitely Nicki Minaj. I also love Doja Cat. I just love rap. So if you see me driving one day and it looks like I'm having a heated argument, I'm just rapping because I get into it and I'm having my own music concert. Staying in always. See that peace and quiet? Very top tier. Definitely Paris. I want to experience the fashion. Oh, and oh my god, the cafes. I want to go to a cute little cafe by the roadside and just sit down, sip my coffee and just watch people pass. I just want the whole vibe. Definitely staying consistent. I'm in love with this particular outfit that I made. I wore it to Singapore and oh my god, I felt so good, so elegant, so soft. I just love it so much. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting to know me a little better. Let me know in the comments one fun fact thing about you. I would love to connect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Stick around for more sewing content because in the next video I'm going to show you how I made this jumpsuit, and trust me, you don't want to miss it because I feel fabulous right now. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.